What's your name?
My name is Phong.
We're from, and you are?
My name is Phú.
Phug and
My name is Tài.
Thai. I have learned that Vietnam makes good quality guitars. So after scouting some shops that make handmade guitars, I found one in Tan Binh District which is called Guitar Tan Tam. I'm planning to buy one for myself to hone my guitar playing skills during the lockdown.
Hello.
Okay, what's your name? What's your
My name
name?
is Phong. My name is Phong.
We're from, and you are?
My name is Phú.
Phug and
My name is Tài.
Thai. And my friend is here. What's your name?
My name is Phong.
There are different kinds of guitars on display. There are a number of body sizes which produce different sounds. So I decided to buy this for only 90 US dollars or 4,000 pesos because it has a solid material.
Đến em cái đừng vào đó ngồi uống nước kêu thoải mái nha.
Hello.
Anh nữa được người may mắn cái lên nè. Có đánh đây nè. Có. Không, im cho. Chóng mặt á. Đấy rồi. Lo rồi.
This one is 250,000 VND. So this will be my standing. So it's done. Alright, so my guitar is now finished. I'm going to take this home. Alright.